back in time. All of our neighbors' twinkling lights, all of our youthful eyes so bright. We'd never seen the sky so white, and I just want that winter feeling. Very merry, happy holiday. Close your eyes, I wish it never goes away. All of our loved ones, and no one without one. Very merry, happy holiday to you. Do-do-do, da-da-da-dum. And Santa